Hey guys, this is Poet Spice and I am here to do an unboxing of this product. Now, I saw this on Pixie's channel and I was like, okay, I've seen these online and had no idea what you're supposed to do with them. And then she showed how she used it and she was talking about other channels. And so I was like, okay, well, I'm gonna go try it. So I hunted it down on Amazon and I got this sweetheart thing. Now, mine arrived yesterday or the day before I'm filming this. And it was funny because my girl JoJo did a haul video where she had got it too. So I'm like, hey, I just got mine in the mail today. So we're going to unbox this. And I'm not going to do any trials with it or anything because my desk is a hot mess. If you can see here and there. But I just thought I would go ahead and unbox it. So it is a dip pen set. A glass dip pen set. Say that. Okay, so it says Sweetheart on the box, and it is a sturdy box, so that's pretty cool. It's by this company. It has this information on the back, so it does give some instructions. Okay, and it tells you this over here. Yeah, I was trying to see if there's anything special. So there's that. Now I will link it in the description box below if it is still there. It did come wrapped in plastic. Now I got it off of Amazon, so it did not actually come in an additional box. It came like this, so you saw exactly what it was. So if you order this, you want to make sure you click the wrap. There's an option to wrap it a different way or something like that, so you can't tell what's in it. Not that you can really tell what this is from the front. So I unwrapped it and I took it off so you didn't have to see that part. So open the lid and there is this fuzzy little mat thing on the top, and it is glued. In my case, it's glued down to this part. And we have these little bottles of ink. So that's pretty cool, and you get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 of them. I'm assuming this has some kind of green gold something in it because it's got this gold stripe. So I'm just gonna shake it up to see if it does anything. Yeah, so apparently you do need to shake them up a little bit or swirl them or something like that. So you get these little ink things with 7 milliliters. I'm just gonna open one to see what it looks like. Oh, excuse me. It's got this little stopper thing. Oh, it's gonna make a mess. Okay. I do not like messy, so that's a problem. I'm trying to not get ink everywhere, especially since it's blue. Y'all know I do love my blues and purples. Okay, so we did get a little bit of ink. We'll just wipe that on my clothes. On my craft clothes. So get that, and you would put your little nib thing down in there. So that's pretty cool. So we do know that we need to have something to open these up with, and it's kind of staining my finger, so I don't know how much it'll take to get that off. So we'll have to see. I'll tighten that down some. So you get 14 colors, did I say? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep. Then over here, in this little piece that's hard to come out, I'll have to smush. Hold on. Get it all smushy. Well, we'll just do it that way. Okay. So then we've got this little piece here, and you're supposed to rest the pen on top so it doesn't goober everywhere. And then over here, well, since this piece just came out, we'll just do it this way. Makes it easier. It's a shot glass. No, I'm just kidding. So I'm assuming this is a water dish, and I probably would not use this for that because it's so small. So I'd probably just get 2 different things of water or whatever. But you have it in there, so that's cool. So you do get to use whatever's in here. And then there are these 2 pins. And I've seen these things around forever because one other person, Jenny Belly, I don't know if anybody on this channel knows Jenny Belly, but she is an artist that I've been watching for like several years. And she had some of these, and she actually bought some from when she went on a trip to Italy, or she went to Europe. Well, she lives in Europe. And she went on a trip, and she bought some of these from Italy, which we all know is like the glass capital of the world. So you have this little thing. I don't know the parts, but it's very pretty. I always do like, I mean, even if you just had it for decoration, it would be pretty. Oh, could you imagine hanging these on your Christmas tree? Granted, it would be expensive, but so you've got these little ridges, which is where the ink goes down to the little point. And I'm like, it makes me feel like so. Let's put this back on because I'm liable to break something. So like Shakespeare-y, like, and then you have this one, and it's purple and blue, so you know I'm all about that. And I'll pull this off carefully. Come on. Because I doubt that it's uber delicate, but it is glass. So then you have a different one. How cool is that? I just wanted to see how sharp it is. It's not very sharp. I mean, you could stab somebody's eye out with it, so I would be careful in that respect. But it's not going to cut you, at least not like that. So you've got two of these in there. Oh, they're so beautiful. So beautiful. So I'm just going to slip those back in there. So I thought I would show those because it came today and it should be interesting to play with this. So definitely go check out Pixie's video because that's the video I watched to make me go buy this. And I'll try to link the video below because I have a bad habit of forgetting. All right, see you guys later. Thanks for watching. And sometime I'll get around to playing with this. All right, bye.